Are you considering carpet tiles? Let's talk about it. So carpet tiles give you so much flexibility, so many different colors, patterns, textures. This is where you can really get creative and show your design. It's up to you to develop the room or entryway in any look you want. You can create any look you want. The real advantage of carpet tiles is all the design options you'll have. This is where you can get creative. Of course, carpet tiles are super easy to use. Most of them have a rubber or stiff backing. They're relatively thin, easy to install. Anybody can do it.
Rapid Repair DIY.
Now, pre-packaged carpet tiles will come in a box, and that's most economical to order them like that. The most common size I've noticed is 19 by 19 inches approximately in square shapes. I have occasionally seen rectangle shapes, and online I've even seen some really creative shapes, hexagons and some other creative shapes where they can be interwoven. So this box here will cover approximately 21.5 square feet, and it contained 8 19 by 19 inch carpet tiles. These ones here are 18 by 24, and these large ones here are 24 by 24. That's 2 feet across each direction. Can you imagine how fast you can complete a room with 2 feet tiles? Let's talk about some possible cons on carpet tiles if you're comparing carpet tiles to traditional carpet. Carpet tiles are not as soft underfoot as traditional carpet. They never will be. They have to be designed relatively thick with a somewhat firm backing that enables them to lay flat. You need them to lay flat, so when the seams are up against one another, you don't want them curling or popping up. So they have to be designed relatively stiff and flat. Another possible con is visible seams. If that bothered you, now the room I'm sitting in right now, the home office room, is carpet tiles. Let me know if you can see the seams or not. I think they look great. You can also mix and match different colors and types of tile, so then you'll see a nice clean straight edge there, and it'll just be built into your design. But some people consider possible seeing the seams as a defect. Wear patterns. There's a little bit of debate online whether carpet tiles tend to have more wear patterns than traditional carpet. But if that's the case, of course, you can just pop them out and put a new one in. Price. Carpet tiles are comparable to traditional carpet, rolled carpet. Of course, it depends if you're talking a cut pile carpet and how thick and how heavy the weight is, but I've noticed they're comparable. But where you really are going to save is in your time. You don't have to have a worker come over and measure your space. You don't have to have installers scheduled and come at a future date. You're going to do it all yourself. No padding is required. It's built into the product. No glue is required. No tack strip around the perimeter of traditional carpet is required. You could glue it down to a concrete surface or subfloor if you wanted to, but boy, you don't need to. There's no reason to. They will lay perfectly flat. When you buy a carpet tile kit or box, they will come with sticky tabs. These are peel and stick tabs to secure the corners together, so that keeps the carpets from separating or lifting up. That will be included in the carpet tile kit. You don't need to buy any glues or anything like that. So if these tiles get damaged, you can just pull one out and replace it super easy. There's no special treatment to your underlayment at all. Unless the floor is horribly uneven, then maybe you do a self-leveling compound. The kit came with a self-adhesive sticker that holds down the corners of the tiles. Check this out. The carpets stick together, the seam becomes virtually invisible. It's a really good design. Also, I think another use application would be great is basements. Think about basements where maybe you have one that has an occasional dampness issue, say once or twice a year at a heavy rainstorm, you get a little bit of water in the corner of your basement. Boy, with carpet tiles, you can literally just pop them up, put a fan in there, let it dry, and then put it right back down. That'd be excellent use. Of course, one of the best use cases, in addition to ease of install and ease of use, is to bring them home and install them the same day. But the best use case is, say this one was in a daycare center or nursery and a kid spills red Kool-Aid on it and it stains. You literally just pop that tile up and just put a brand new one in. It's as easy as that. The patterns and the colors are really endless. This is where you can get creative. You can design a room to have the look and feel that you want. Nothing will change the feel of a room quicker than the new flooring installed. Let me know if you're thinking about installing carpet tiles. I want to hear your stories. Hey, I bet you can do it yourself.